What is going on, y'all? I'm be flipping this 2010 Honda Fit, and I bought it for $2,533. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the full process. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button. Please stay tuned for this whole video. Anyways, let's go. Here's the rear end. It wasn't an accident. Again, I'll put all the numbers in the screen. It wasn't just $2,533. Has 133K miles. Here's the interior. Again, the door does need some body work. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off right after I record this little intro. All right, so here's the interior. Has the suede material. It is a sport model and no codes were found. I just scanned it, but the oil pan thing, light thing is on, and the airbag thing says it's on. I'm not too sure about it because I did not see any deployed airbags, so I think I'm gonna have to take off the airbag module. I did notice this too. The clear coat is faded. I'm gonna go ahead and see how much extra he can charge me. So now I have given you a 360 view. I'm gonna go ahead and see how much this guy quotes me. My budget is $700. Anyways, leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button. Please show some love. Fun fact, I went half and half with my girlfriend with this. Anyways, please enjoy, stay tuned, and let's go. So I'm driving while I'm holding the door. 100% be careful when you're doing stuff like this because it does kind of fly out when you make turns. As you guys can see, look at my point of view. So I'm driving with my knee while I'm recording, so I'm stopped. Alright guys, so I'm finally back. I was charged $700, exactly what was in my budget, alright? He fixed the door, the spoiler, and he did a few touch-ups. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Here it is. Here's the door, as you guys can see. And the door does close, so you guys don't get on me in the comments. Door closes. It's safe, alright? And he did do the spoiler. It looks like brand freaking spanking new. And yeah, I just got done watering the car so it could look presentable for this video. Anyways, leave a like, subscribe, and let me go ahead and just move on to the next step. I'll see you guys there. Let's go. Guys, so the car is finally finished. The oil pan is done, the door is done, all the lights are gone off the dash. It's ready to sell. We're meeting up with the person literally right now. Hopefully they like it, then we'll meet up with them the next day, probably in the dealership, so they can make their purchase. All right,
not probably at the dealership. We are meeting them at the dealership.
We are meeting them at the dealership. Matter of fact, we hope we do, because we're only gonna make $300 profit each. All right, so that means a $600 profit for all the work, all the hassle, but it's okay. Let's get to it. All right, so I decided to do the outro here. I'm actually hiding at work right now. It's 5 a.m. But point is, we sold it for $5,200, $500 profit, $150 profit each. All right, wasn't too bad. But I'm doing it here because I want to show you that I have a regular 9 to 5, still trying to escape the matrix. And yeah, I want to show you I'm a regular guy car flipping. All right, I'm not even joking. All right, matter of fact, that's an insult to me. I don't want to be regular. All right. So yeah, please show some love, show some support, leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button. I'm very happy I got rid of the car because I got my money back and a little bit of money back, if that makes sense. It doesn't, but anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. More cars are on the way, but